So on this morning, chose to do things again a little differently because it's not really that cold, but the air temperature is now warmer. No, it's actually about the same. We're mid 40s in air temperature, and looks like 48 degrees on the water temperature. But I went for a walk, good hour-long walk, and I think I'll post that video too along with this one. Listening to meditation music. And now I had a thought that I wanted to jump in, but I don't think I want to do that again. I want to ease into it, nice and slow. The feeling's not going to be as much, you know, not as high of exhilaration, but But when you go on a walk and it's say 40 degrees outside, your body's getting used to the cold while you're out in the cold. And by the time you get back, not wearing any shirt and just wearing shorts, you're pretty well warmed up. So 39 degrees or 49 degree water temperature is really not that bad. It's almost like you've prepared yourself. Now if I wake up, do the breathing exercises and then jump in, yeah, it's much colder. So what I wanted to say in this video is that I just hope if you're watching this and your life sucks like mine and your life is just not fun, find a cold body of water and give it a shot. It's taken me I'm almost 3 months into this. Started with the cold showers. And on some mornings you just don't want to do it. But this morning, I didn't mind it. I mean, it wasn't like it was calling my name like I've heard other people speak about online, but I was calm enough. I was adjusted to the outside temperature. And I just saw this guy on the trail. It seemed like he was following me or something. He certainly did change direction as soon as he saw me, and he kept watching me. So I don't know what's going on there, but I really don't care. I was actually a little bit angry. And if any of you know about anger, you know that doing things that are difficult is much easier when you're angry. So maybe that's why I was so well adjusted and calm when I got in here. breath holds are getting longer. Stamina is increasing. Really, there's no downfall to this other than the initial shock of the cold, which is only a short time and you get used to it. So if I can just reach one person out there to get them to give this a shot. Just breathe. Just breathe. So that's about 5 minutes. That's all you need. I mean, if you're angry, use it as a tool. If you got anxiety, use it to get excited about the cold. And if you think you have to be a little bit crazy to do this, you don't. But honestly, I think that's why Wim has gone so far. Because he is a little crazy. And so am I. So am I. Dogs around here are just pretty fucked up. You just gotta ignore them. Time for the hot shower. But I tell you, the cold still is an amazing tool if you decide to use it. Many blessings to you. It's absolutely amazing how I can be so cold right now and feel so good. I can hardly feel my fingers. I feel terrific. I'm not angry anymore. Just don't let people piss you off, because they win when they piss you off. Have a wonderful day.